Hi guys, it's Dawn from MakeupClasses.com and today is Makeup Tip Monday, number 1. If you're new to MakeupClasses.com, hit the like button and subscribe. We'd love for you to be part of this growing family. So today's Makeup Tip Monday, number 1, reads like this. Be mindful that where you first place your makeup brush is where the most product is deposited. This is a makeup artist 101 rule. Wherever you first touch with your brush, any product, is where the most product will deposit on the skin. So when you're preparing for a makeover and you're envisioning the look that you want, whatever you're going for, you have to ask yourself, where do I want the most product to be placed? Or perhaps you don't want a concentrated look. You want to have that makeup look very smooth and even. So these are things, makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts, that you should ask yourself before you do the makeover. Now today I'm going to be demonstrating with a blush brush. This is a Crown C522 angled blush brush, and I'm going to be using the Makeup Studio Collection Blush Glow in the color Cocktail. I just love this color. It's so pretty. Nice, light, fresh pink. And I'm going to be dipping the brush into the blush. And as you can see, there is a lot of product on this brush. Now, I could use a paper towel and brush off, or a tissue, to get any excess off first before I deposit. I want a lot of product and I want a concentrate look on the face. So for instance, where I first touch, let's say I want a cheeky look, I would start in the cheek area and bring it back to the hairline. Or perhaps I want something a little bit more natural looking in the cheek area, and I would start at the hairline and bring it into the cheek area. So these are questions, makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts, that you want to ask yourself before you do the makeover. Because remember, where you first touch, where you deposit, is where that concentrate will be, and it will take some effort to move that product around if you don't particularly like that concentrate. Maybe you put it right in the cheek area and you say, oh no, way too much, and then you've got to go back and blend it off, take it off maybe with a makeup wipe, a sponge, blend it away. So always keep this rule in mind. Where you first touch is where the most product is deposited. So I want more of a natural look with this color, so I'm going to start at my hairline and just bring it forward and blend, blend, blend. And you can see where the most product was deposited, and I bring it forward. Now, I think I'm going to blend this because it's a bit strong, so I will use my paper towel and blend, and then I could go back and just soften it up and make it look really pretty. Well guys, I hope today's makeup tip helps. I'll see you next week on Makeup Tip Monday. Bye everyone.